Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. So today let's talk awnings. Now, a lot of times we've got complaints that they don't build awnings the way they used to. You see it all the time. You got people saying, I've got a 1978 such and such type RV, it's got an awning on there and it's never ripped off. Well, nowadays it seems that they rip off pretty easy. What's the problem? Let's go over a few tips on awnings, and maybe this will help out. We open up those awnings become a kite when we have high winds. The problem is, we don't know when those winds are coming, and it could be just a small gust. Well, previously what would take place is that awning is built so tight that it would pull the whole wall off or actually damage the RV. We don't want to do that. We want these awnings to be much like a crumple zone. The awning fails before the sidewall does. Now, am I saying that this is a great setup? No, but this is just what's taken place. That they use those awnings as a fail-safe to keep your sidewall from coming off. It's cheaper to replace an awning than it is to have your sidewall repaired. We need to understand that awnings are vicious. You know, they hide, they don't show themselves, and out front, we're looking down, we're supposed to walk, and we walk right into the awning. I'm not the only one that does it. Anyone over 6 foot can do it. So just understand that awnings are there. They're there to get back at you because you've actually put them up wet. Don't put your awning up wet. You know, this is up there. This is a fabric that actually holds that water. You roll that thing and set it up wet. When you open it up next time, you're gonna have mold growing on that thing. So what you do with that mold is you get some type of mold kill, whether it could be hydrogen peroxide and some water, or go buy you some type of chemical that you can spray on there. Just be careful not to use bleach because these things have color. And we don't want to color fast that, using bleach up there. So just understand that awnings are not kites and they're not there to protect you from the rain. When we have rain, chances are we have wind. If you want to be able to fix 80% of the problems on your RV, check out our home study course at the nrvta.com website. If you'd like to earn an income and create a business while on the road, check out our website at nrvta.info, fill out the form, and start your business today. If you're new to RVing, here's a good tip for you. If you're the only one with your awning out, chances are you're wrong. It's a good tip. All right, let's do that again. If you're looking around and everyone else has their awning, closed, close your awning. Now, the first thing I want to talk about awnings, well, actually now talking about this is actually the second thing. Mic check 1, check 2. Oh, we rolling? You're the one that'll won? Go?
Yep.
All right. Keep these awnings open, and there's a high wind, we get basically, mic check 2. Checking a 1, checking a 2. All right, so it's basically our fault that the awnings are cheap. Let's think about this. There we go.
There's a good chance you're wrong.